Alright, you want to know the exact reason why I took this trade? I took this trade just few minutes after I entered the trade, the market spike heavily. So I'm gonna be showing you why I entered this trade and I caught this spike, even though the market has been selling all the way. So I did nothing. I did not do any analysis. If you watch this video to the end, you understand how to use it very simply. Alright, I didn't do any analysis, I didn't do any technical. Don't confuse yourself, just follow me. Alright, so how did I enter this trade? And as you can see, currently I'm still in, even though I use a small lot size because I want to do a good risk management. Then I will still enter more because as this market is now, I believe there will still be more spikes. I will still enter more. Let me just enter 3 lot positions. Click on this place. Just add RSI. Is simple as that. As simple as that. Add RSI. RSI, relative strength index. Just set it to default settings. Click here. If you like, you can change the color. Sorry. If you like, you can change the color to another one. Let's use maybe red, just to make it unique. Nothing else. That is just it. That is just it. That is just this. But it has the usage. Now, this strategy works for Boom 500 very well. Alright, I will drop another video for Boom 1000 on how to use this exact same strategy, and then I will enter a trade also with the same. Now, how do you do it? Now, if you notice that, now I want us to make an analysis and then count some winning trades using this strategy. Let's use this as number 1. This is a winning trade. Now, notice on 5-minute time frame. Please don't use 1-minute time frame. Don't use 1-minute time frame. 1-minute time frame will end up blowing your account with this strategy. Because if you see, look at this place. Okay, I will still show you. Let's just go back to 5-minute time frame. Let's go back to 5-minute time frame. So we mark this place 1. This place passed. If you look at this place 2, this strategy passed here. It's passed here. What is the strategy? Once the market can get to 30 and crosses below 30, that means it has expanded so well that it has no choice than to go back up. Even if it doesn't go back up for long, but it will definitely retest. It will surely retest. At least even if it is a selling trend, it will surely retest to some level. And that retest can give you good profits, and then you get out of the market, you wait for another setup. So look at this now. We have this one. The market got here, it was selling, got here, came down below 30, went up, you can catch some spike here, and then came down again here. Can you see here? If you give another signal, can you see? You can easily catch different setup. Can you see the number 2, number 3? Remember we mark 1 first one the other time. Look at this one 2, 4, 5. Okay, even though this one it was late, kind of. It was late, but at least we can still mark it. But it was late. Might have probably maybe gotten some losses up to maybe $4 loss before it start giving you profit. But it's still normal. It's still okay. But it's just kind of late. But imagine you caught your losses here, you got out, and then you enter back here. Look at it, 5. So of course the market is not 100% assurance. There is no strategy that is 100% assurance. So, but that at least overall we lost 1. We have about 4. So 5. We lost 1. So then you see this one got here, bam! It doesn't take long. I'm focusing on the ones that does not take long before it spike. That it doesn't stay long here before it spike. Unlike this one, notice that this one stay long under this 30. It will have gotten, you know, this 5-minute time frame, so it will have gotten. So I'm talking because of those that have small accounts, like $10, $5. So look at this place, 30, and then spikes. As long as you see it crossing, look, notice that this one was already crossing a little, and then look at the spikes. Look at this spike before it came down here. So you can just target. You can target 50. You can add a level to it. Come here. Come. I hope you see where I pressed. Click the RSI. Sorry. So come here. This pencil icon. Just add level 50 to it here. All right, 50. You can use that 50 as your TP. Take profit. Are you getting it? So then you save. That can just be your TP. So imagine you enter from here. This strategy works, guys. Imagine you enter from here. Sorry, you enter from here, and then you write the market here TP. That means from here to like this area, or this. It's just this one spike cover this area, and then you are good to go. So let's check from few ones. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. Look at this. Boom. The key is once it can touch that 30. Don't look at this 50. Don't look at that 30. Once it touches below, that means the market has it has done so much elasticity that it has given so much elastic level. English. it has relaxed to the level that it has to reverse up before, even if you want to continue selling, it will still have to do some retest at that level. Do you get it now? So that is that. So let's check. We are still on. Another spike has occurred. So can you see? I enter the market. I enter from here again. Can you see another spike has occurred? We are still waiting. Once it happens like this, it will keep spiking. So even though we've gotten to TP here, alright, so we might want to get out, but I know that it will still spike more. It will still spike more. I enter with small positions. So if not, we would have been in good position by this TP here. So that is how to do this strategy. So I want to show you on this 1 minute time frame. So look, we are using, okay, it's still approaching TP here on 5 minute time frame. That was 1 minute time frame, sorry. So we can still ride a little. So we can still ride. I just want to catch one more spike. But for those who are trading other strategies, aside from this strategy, you know that this formation, this kind of formation is a good formation that the market will keep spiking. For those who are trading maybe SMC, smart money concept, you can see that the market got to a level. Let's check 30 minutes time frame. You can see that, I did some analysis. So you can see that the market is at a level of support. Can you see? The market is at a level of support. It will keep spiking up. It will spike up to some level before you will get so much profit. So can you see that even if you don't know how to do all those support resistance, just simply following this thing I'm teaching you, it works. Imagine here, if you have entered from here, you will have gone to some little losses because it took time before it spikes. So in another video, I will show you another way to use this strategy that will be more accurate. But so far, before I drop that next video, just practice with this. So this work for Boom 500, it also work for Boom 1000, but I will still make another video for Boom 1000 because of it's already 9 minutes. So let me just show you quickly. Look at 1 minute time frame. Notice that a lot of this stuff got here and then it was not spiking very well. Look at here. So imagine if you use 5 minute time frame, it will have gone to different losses. Can you see? No spike. Can you see? Look at this one. Spike. Notice just losses. So that's why I say you use 5 minute time frame. Can you see the same thing here? Can you see? Was staying long losses. So just use 5 minute time frame and you are good to go. Alright, so I'm TB Emmanuel from West Domain. Kindly follow us. We'll be dropping more tips, more trading. So I'll drop for Boom 1000 soon, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you.